How to find long-term rentals fast on Airbnb for monthly stays. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. If you are planning to stay about for 28 nights or more or for monthly or long term, you can just go and follow up this method and you should be able to do it. So go to airbnb.com or the Airbnb application. Just go and search for it. And at the top of your screen, you can find a search and you can enter up your destination there. So go ahead and tap on it and enter up your destination. After that, once you have entered up your destination, we can filter it out by dates that total at least 28 nights. For that, look out for the filter option in the top right. Tap on it. After that, we can filter it out. Or once you choose up your destination, you will be finding a calendar option given. You can scroll right and look out for more than 28 days, such as we have maximum 14 days here. You can make it more flexible for months, etc. For example, for months, you can make it, for example, for a month, if you're staying, you can make it that. And let's make it to April 8 and click on save. And you can see the months being flexible. And you can even look out for flexible, how long you would like to stay, weekend, week, month, etc. Month, let's say, and for April, let's say. After that, you can tap on next and filter it out. After that is done, you can just go over and choose how much guest you will be having. After that, tap on search and you can check it out. And for checking and checkout, you can choose the dates as I said, and that will tell Airbnb that you want a monthly stay, and the results will include listings eligible for a long-term rents. And you can just go and do so. Airbnb has a dedicated monthly rental section. You can use it if you want long stays without scrolling through short-term results, and enter a location, and you can move in and move out dates to see long-term rentals available for a month or more. And that's it, everybody. You can just go and follow it up, and you can even book longer durations if available for your destination and host. But this is how you should be able to do it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.